Hello, I'm Rickard, Service Manager at ProMarks, and today we're going to talk about a potential service issue you have with the control board, a troubleshooting issue. And we're going to go over here to this DC800 double chamber machine that has the PNC01 control board. And basically, if you come into your machine and you turn the power on, and you see this error code right here, this is OVER, indicating overload. That's indicating that your overload relay has tripped, and we're going to show you how to reset the overload. Okay, so if you're seeing the OVER or overload relay trip error code on your control board, on the PNC01 control board, you're going to go over here to your pump contactor overload relay. That's right here, marked OL, with your reset. You press the reset, and then go recheck your board. All right, so we come back to our board after resetting the overload relay. Or press the power, and the pump's running. Now, a couple of potential reasons. Now, people do ask that. They say, why did it trip? It could be a power fluctuation, a power surge, a loss of power or voltage that could cause the amps to spike. And that overload relay is monitoring the amperage that the pump is drawing, and just as a safety for the motor on the pump. And if the amps spike up too high, it could cause some damage to the motor. So that overload relay is designed to shut it off to, minimize the potential for a problem or a burnt motor. So make sure that if you see that, you double check your power and make sure that there's no issues going on with that. So that would do it for the overload relay trip reset.